There's a trend of rising and falling, reading the price language. There's signal to buy and sell, and bid farewell to filling the deal. In this section, we will learn various bullish candlestick line combinations and show you the most effective ways to analyze them. First, we will introduce dawn star. A visual sign indicates the start of an upward climb in cryptocurrency. We have circled a dawn star in right line. A standard dawn star consists of 3 candlestick lines. The right line on the left is called exterior circle, and the middle candle is a doji. It looks like a plus sign, located below the exterior circle. And the green line is a long inner circle. Here's the thing. Whether it is a dawn star or not depends on the length of the third circle, and the closing price of the inner circle is a key indicator. It must meet 50% of the body of the first line. Once we confirm it's a dawn star, we can judge the bullish strength of the prevailing trend by a very important factor, the closing price of the inner circle. We have 3 cases here. The first one is, if the closing price just exceeded 50% of the exterior circle, the bullish strength is deemed as relatively weak. And if the closing price is very close to the opening price of the exterior circle, it's considered that the bullish strength is relatively strong. And finally, if the closing price far more exceeded the opening price of the exterior circle, the bullish strength is significantly strong. What we have mentioned are just the typical examples of a standard dawn star. However, the pattern of a dawn star varies in the market and is different from what you just saw. And so we have extracted some real examples for your reference. Let's go through them one by one. Here are 3 types of dawn star with different patterns, and you will see how they look in the actual trend. Let's see the first one. So the middle line is not the doji line. It looks more like a T line than a plus line. We can see the price dropped sharply, and then dawn star appeared. The price stopped dropping and soared instead. And here's the second one. The middle part is formed by 2 small candles. While the price was going up, a dawn star appears, and the price kept rising after that. Here comes the final combination. The dawn star is formed by 3 small candles or doji lines. After the price dropped sharply, a dawn star appeared, and the price picked up quickly. Next, we will learn about another bullish candlestick line combination called bullish because of swallow. It's a little bit long, right? So the main characteristics of bullish because of the swallow is that the green body covers completely the right body. That means the exterior circle is swallowed up by the inner circle, indicating that the bullish power is making a big quarters attack. So how to judge the bullish strength? For figure 1, the green body just swallowed the right body, right? And the combination suggested that the weakest bullish strength. For figure 2, the green body is obviously higher than the red body, even twice the size of the red one. And the combination represents a very strong bullish strength. And for the final case, the green body swallowed up many of the red bodies, and this one has the strongest bullish strength. So in the market, there are many bullish because of swallow combinations that don't look as perfect as above cases, for sure. And we will discuss some actual scenarios from the market. And I'm going to show you 3 bullish because of swallow combinations that inner circle didn't cover exterior circle totally. For the first instance, the price first dropped sharply, right? And it stopped after the bullish because the swallow combination appeared. It then continued to rise. And for the second one, the inner circle covered 2 exterior circles, forming a bullish because of swallow pattern, and the bullish trend followed afterwards. And for the final case, the inner circle covers 3 exterior circles, and the price rises sharply afterwards. Right, so we will see the last bullish candlestick line combination called tower bottom. for standard tower bottom, it's formed by an exterior circle, right? And formed a group of 4, 5 or more small exterior circles and inner circles in the middle, and a long inner circle at the right side. And the whole looks like an inverted tower, so that is why we call it the bottom of tower shape. One important factor that makes an effective tower bottom is that the closing price for the last inner circle must exceed 50% of the exterior circle body at the front. Once we know it's a tower bottom, we can judge the bullish strength of the market by the closing price of the last inner circle. And if the inner circle's closing price just passed the 50% line, the bullish strength is weak. And if the inner circle's closing price is close to the opening price of the exterior circle, the bullish strength is relatively strong. And eventually, if the inner circle's closing price is much higher than the opening price of the exterior circle, the bullish strength is significantly strong. Of course, the tower bottom will not appear just like that in the actual trend either, so remember, we have to be flexible. Let's take a look at what's the actual tower base in the market. For the graph 1, the actual appearance is very close to schematic diagram of the tower bottom. This screenshot is from a 6-hour chart of the US-USDT pair in the OKEx C2C trading area. We can see the tower bottom appear in the uptrend and is followed by a new range of upswings. And this is another variation. The middle part of the tower is not formed by a very small candle, but a combination of long and short candles. And screenshot is from the 12-hour chart of the US-USDT pair in the OKEx. After the price dropped heavily, a tower bottom was formed, and the price then stopped falling and formed a reversal. Okay, so finally, let's wrap up everything we have introduced in this video. So there are 3 classic bullish candlestick combinations. The first one is Dawn Star, suggesting a bright upcoming price upswing, and the second one is bullish because of Swallow, indicating that the bullish power is making a big quarter attack. And the third one is tower bottom, suggesting an upside reversal. Alright, so here comes the end of our section. We will show you the most negative ways to analyze various bullish chart combinations. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.